Morning everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and today's video is to see how smooth is the engine on a 1991 Goldwing GL1500 SE Anniversary Edition after being 30 years old and having 242,000 kilometers on it. Let's see. So now that the bike is running, we're going to try starting the bike with a coin balancing on the cylinder head. There we go, starting the bike, balancing the coin on the cylinder head, smooth as silk. Pretty good for a 30-year-old bike with almost 250,000 kilometers.